Hey, I'm Terry Sullivan with the Terry Sullivan Show, and we have a great episode for you tonight. The city of Lewisville, every year they have a barbecue cook-off within the departments of the city. They compete against one another, and we covered that event for the city and happy to do so. The problem is they're cooking all night long, so I have to go interview them, and it interferes with my sleep, and you know what? I love my sleep. But let's go down there and see how they're doing. Come with me.
You keep that up all night, you're going to have heartburn for 3 days.
Yeah, right.
There we go. I thought I had my cigar. Woo! That's good stuff right there. Don't you wish you had some? Man, look at this bacon wrapped honey bun. It don't get any better than that right there. You ready? You ready? That looks good, doesn't it? Man.
Yeah.
Boy, they're hot.
Duh.
I'm gonna have heartburn all night long. I've eaten everywhere I've gone. Oh, that's hot. Hey, thanks for the cigar.
I hope you enjoy that one.
Man, this is a great cigar.
Appreciate you
I have
coming
no
out.
idea what I'm talking about because I don't even smoke cigars. I feel a little bit lightheaded.
That means it's good.
We're running about 275. That's where I run my pit. Look at that. Nothing but beauty there, buddy. Nothing but beauty. What seasoning did you use here?
My own blend.
Listen, whenever you get tired of working for Claire, I need a pit guy. Don't tell her I said that. Let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
What do you think about your dad? Don't think too hard.
I don't know what to say about it. I love my father.
He's a heck of a smoker, isn't he?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Come on, let me talk to this one right here. Are you just here for moral support? You have no interest in this pit?
Oh, I do. I've been around it plenty enough my whole life. I got to see the whole come up.
How great is it though to be able to do stuff like this with your kids?
It's the main reason I'm out here.
I'm Chris Presley, and I am the Fleet and Facilities Manager.
Show me what you got over here, buddy.
Absolutely.
Oh, look at that right there. That's a nice 20-pounder, 21-pounder right there.
Ah.
What are you burning?
I'm using pecan and oak.
I can smell that pecan.
Yeah.
Is this your first year to do this?
No, sir. I took this event over,
Yep.
and that was the first year Claire was as a city manager.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
And so I invited her to be a judge.
Ah.
And she loved it so much, she said, let's open it to the entire city. So that's what we've done, and it's been a big success.
Let's see what it looks like.
Did we place last year?
Yeah, we placed ribs third last year.
Did you?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. What you got going there, buddy?
Oh, a little chicken fajita, you know.
What department are you guys with?
Public services, we're with the utility line maintenance and plant maintenance.
You stay busy?
Yes, sir, of course.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Keeping the city going, right?
How we doing, boys?
Good, right, how are you?
I'm good. You good?
Yeah.
What department do I have right here?
Fleet.
Fleet?
Yes, sir.
This is not your first year to compete, is it?
This is, yes, all of our first year.
Your-
Fleet has been here before, but different people.
Oh, no kidding.
Yeah, and only one other year.
Are you going
One
to take
other
it this
season.
year?
I don't know about all that. We're here trying that.
What's that?
We'll see how it shakes out.
All right, well, who trimmed the brisket?
It was a team effort.
No, the briskets were you.
Okay, I guess it was me then.
Whatever.
He's trying to share the blame, and you're going, no, it's all you, brother. Let me see what you got. Oh, boy, look at that. Man, I'm going to tell you something right now. I've been doing this for 40 years. That's a nice trim.
Thank you.
No, that is a nice trim. I can tell this is y'all's first year. I go over there, and those boys, they got film set up. Look at them, they're playing games. They're going to be playing games all night. What are you doing? You're over here taking notes all night long.
Timeline.
What?
I've got to nail down the timeline.
Tell me what you're doing tonight.
Tonight, I'm in charge of the ribs, so I'm getting my rib schedule down. My partner has her brisket on the smoker already, and that's her right over there asleep.
This is in charge of the brisket. Be sure. She is dead asleep too.
No, I'm not.
I feel like doing something mean.
What? I'm wide awake.
She's wide awake, she said. What are you doing?
What do you mean? I'm just laying here.
Well, you're supposed to be working.
Working on what? It's a waiting game.
It's early. Can I get you anything?
No, I'm good. I'm all set.
I'm not sure about these ladies. I mean, last year the ladies won the rib, first place in the rib competition, but they're asleep. Obviously, somebody hasn't told them how this works. You got to stay up all night long, but they're sleeping, and it looks like they're sleeping pretty well.
Kristen, I'm taking your brisket out. Sleeping all night long.
Sleeping all night long.
All right.
Yeah, you want to take a peek?
Yeah, see what we got. Oh, look at that. That's a nice size. That's about an 18-pounder right there. Is this Kristen's pit boss or is it her
This
husband?
is mine.
It's
This
yours.
is my husband's, yes.
And he let you use it?
He did.
What's his name?
His name is Bryce.
Thank you, Bryce, for
Thank you, Bryce.
loaning out your pit boss. You're a good man. Sorry, I got you out of your recliner.
Oh, well, it's all right.
All right, show me what you got, buddy. That's a nice-looking brisket. You want a pork belly?
Try a couple pork bellies up there.
Boy, they're hot.
Duh.
What is a place of spit? No, I don't want another piece. My mouth is burning off. Great. You want to eat it?
Cool down.
Yeah.
Look, cool down. He ain't like you.
Let me tell you what's going to happen. In about 2 minutes, it's going in my mouth.
2 minutes later.
Something like that.
Yep.
It's been a while.
I'm going to tell you right now. That right there will make you want to slap somebody twice. Y'all cook all night, and then tomorrow we all gather and we feed about 300 veterans tomorrow.
Yes, sir, we do.
Yeah.
Well, I look forward to it every year.
Let's introduce ourselves.
George Babineau, Neighborhood Inspection Services.
Chris McGinn, Neighborhood Inspection Services.
Yep.
I'm Jeff Kelly with the engineering department.
So guys, did we place last year?
Yeah, we got second in ribs and third in brisket.
All right, wait a minute. 4 different teams have said they got second in ribs. That ain't right.
Well, we actually have the medals to show it. I mean, unfortunately, we don't have it with us, but we have the medals to show.
Let me see what you got.
Okay.
That's a beautiful bark. How long has this been on?
So this has been on 5 to 6 hours.
I'm gonna tell you, that is a beautiful bark, guys. I've been doing this for 40 years. It's a sacrifice to be out here all night long.
Yes, it is.
Especially at your age, George.
Yeah, I'm telling you. That's why I had to get a little bit more Z's the day before I came in.
George just showed up. He been sleeping a little bit.
just a little bit, but we're ready now. Ready.
Good luck tonight.
All right, thanks, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Good luck tonight.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Good luck. So the reigning champ right here. This dude here took it last year. And this year, the pressure's on.
Yeah.
Andy, what department are you with?
I'm with Neighborhood Inspection Services. I am the Chief Code Enforcement Officer of that division.
Andy, what does this event mean to you?
Besides being the group with people I work with, because working for the city of Lewisville is like working with your family.
Yeah.
I enjoy it. I really, really do. I took 1 year off a couple years ago and rested, but everybody's giving me a hard time, so I came back.
That's beautiful. How long has that been on, Andy?
About 2.5 hours.
What's your strategy?
A little bit of brown sugar in my rub.
Okay, all right.
And usually try to rub it down the night before, and then right before it goes on the grill, I'll put a little extra rub on it.
Listen, if Claire don't mind, if you could work on the city's payroll but be a pitman for me, I'd be grateful. Did you hear what I just said?
Yeah.
He's going to work on the city payroll, but he's going to come work for me. That's the way we roll that out. Thanks for joining us tonight. What a great show. Gathered with all these guys cooking all night long for the Veterans event tomorrow right here in Lewisville at Thrive at 11 o'clock. About 350 will join us tomorrow. And we're honored and humbled to be able to cook all night and serve all day. Thanks for joining us. 1, 2, 3, Claire! Claire, this is a great event, isn't it?
It's one of my favorite events of the year.
Yeah, and I was told last night, this guy right here, he don't even know where he's at. He's been up all night.
Yeah. Poor guy, poor guy.
Hey, you're in Lewisville.
Well, these guys have been up all night long smoking meat. I know how that is. I've been doing it for 38 years, but I didn't do it last night. I'm too old to stay up all night. It takes me days to recover. But they've been up all night long. They've been smoking their ribs and their briskets, and now we're going to go to Thrive. Thrive is a place where the city sets up all of its wonderful food, and they feed all the veterans that want to come, about 350 veterans will come and be honored today. We love to honor those veterans, and the city does a great job doing that. And I might just, I don't know, taste of some desserts while I'm there.
What you got going right there in your bowl?
I got me a caramel apple cheesecake.
I better taste of that. Here, let me
You
grab
might
it.
want to.
I think
Go
I
ahead.
do.
I didn't double dip.
I'm gonna taste of it. Here we go. Here we
Here
go.
we go. What you think about that? Pretty good, right?
Well,
You need some ice cream.
I need more of that, but that's first place right there. I don't even care
Wow,
about.
for real? You didn't even try the other ones.
Huh?
They need some ice cream.
You think
Like
so?
some bluebell. Mm-hmm. Some vanilla. I know.
This is what I'm talking about now.
Terry, no.
You don't be smell. You think
You
you
in
got,
the way.
You think you got wine there? That ain't wine. That's a dessert.
She's been swirling it and everything.
Listen, you gotta judge on appearance, texture, taste, aroma. I gotta smell this. Ask Diane. I've been doing good. Right, Diane?
Here,
See,
bring
I
it
can
this.
smell it.
Bring it. I can't smell a thing.
Yeah, you all in my food.
I smell your perfume. That's what I smell.
I smell good, don't
Well, it ain't bad.
We are celebrating our veterans from our employees at the city of Lewisville. So we're going to eat some good food. We're going to celebrate.
Mm-hmm.
Might even dance a little bit. You never
No,
know.
we ain't dancing. Every city in the nation should do this right here.
I agree.
It means a lot to these veterans to be able to come to a place and be served by our city leadership.
That's
And
one of our rules is we make sure all the directors, the leaders of the city are basically standing behind the sheet pans and serving to our employees.
The only problem with that is I saw this last year. I saw Bill Walrow, and it was like one for you and one for me. He ate a lot of barbecue.
I know. Bill usually gains about 10 pounds during this event, just alone.
This is Deputy Chief Bill Walrow. Bill, this is a great day, isn't it?
It is a great day.
How many years have you done this?
26 years.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Oh, well, you got to do it another time. The only reason you're here is to eat other people's barbecue.
I'm here to pass
Cheating
out
on me.
food.
Cheating
I'm just
on me.
passing out food. I'm not eating anything.
Where'd you serve?
Vietnam.
In Vietnam.
Yeah. Some of us had to go.
Well, a lot of you didn't come back.
Yeah, 50-some thousand.
It's a day to really remember the sacrifices that are given, and you know, we've got a lot of veterans that work for us, so anything that we can do to give back, absolutely.
What you do?
We both work in human resources.
Oh, y'all are the ones nobody likes.
Wow,
we
they
are
love
lovable.
us.
They do.
This is Ronnie Cade. Shante works in the city secretary's office at your office.
City manager's office.
City
Assistant
manager's
city manager.
office.
Yeah.
I don't even know what I'm talking about.
That's okay.
I wish I did. Tell me
Then
what-
you wouldn't be Terry.
I know, right? You know what she just said?
How rude.
It's an honor for the city leadership, fire chief, police chief to come together and together serve our veterans.
It's a neat, well-deserved honor, and certainly a great time to take a moment and just remember to thank them for what they've done for us.
Thank you, Chief.
Thank you.
Thanks for all you
Appreciate
do. Huh?
Well, I've got to go back to the restaurant because we have a packed out house there to serve lunch. But I'm going to hand the microphone off to Ronnie Cade, City Council member, and Ronnie's going to close it out for us, and she's going to interview the winners, well, and maybe the losers. But I'm going to tell you something. Today, everybody's a winner because everybody is here to serve our veterans.
This is y'all's first year to enter?
Yes.
How long was the process? We have some underachievers here. First place.
And brisket.
How long were y'all preparing?
Quite a while.
Quite a while?
We put the meat on at 4:45 p.m. Pulled it off about 8 o'clock a.m. this morning. Let it rest. Sliced it. Turned it in. It was very good.
Are you excited?
We are.
How many years have y'all done this?
This is our 13th year cooking together.
Yes.
13th year cooking together?
Started some sort of
Wow.
formal fashion with the program. So lucky number 13, right?
Yeah. Lucky number 13.
right.
This is y'all's first year to enter?
Yes.
How long was the process?
14
14
hours.
hours.
16 hours.
Y'all took shifts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I didn't take any shifts.
You didn't take any shifts? You just had to do it the whole time?
Yeah.
How exciting for your first time to enter that you won.
Yes.
Yeah.
Really excited.
So y'all plan on doing this every year? This is going to be an every year thing?
It's a lot of work.
Yeah, we'll see.
We have some underachievers here, only meats. They won a third place. You want to tell them in what?
That was in our ribs.
Or no, brisket.
Brisket.
Yes.
They won first place.
Yeah.
That was in our ribs.
That was in our ribs. And where's the big one?
Oh, right here.
Grand champion.
The grand champion. What's this right here?
It's just the cutting board.
Okay.
Yeah, that has our.
You want to show? You want to show them the cutting board? How nice is that? Here you go.
Real master.
Yep.
Congratulations. How
Thank
long?
you.
How long did y'all work on this?
We started on what, 6?
Yeah, 6 yesterday.
Oh wow.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your? How many times have y'all entered?
Third year.
Yeah.
Third year. Third
We-
year's
we
a
didn't do
charm.
it last year, but
Yeah, third year's a charm.
third year.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
You didn't walk away with a ribbon or a trophy.
No, ma'am.
No. And you are here to represent all the losing teams that skedaddled skidoo.
That's what I was informed.
Yeah. You know, they say if you don't come in first, you come in last. How's that feel?
You know, I didn't come out here to win. You know, we
It's
put forth
all
our best
about
effort.
it's all about the fellowship.
It's you know, we spend the time, we meet all the different departments. There's people from, I've been here a long time, I've been with Lewisville for 12 years. And there's people who are out there that have been here for less than a month. You know, I've never seen their face before.
Oh, that's
And
wonderful.
so I get to meet all kinds of different people in the city that I never would have potentially seen.
And
or-
it's
or
just
had that
fun. It's a camaraderie, yeah.
Oh yeah, and so you know, and there's smack talk, right?
There's smack talk. That's what I'm
and
trying
not
to do
gonna stop
here,
me
but I'm
from
feeling
making-
real
Yeah,
bad
no.
because I'm supposed to really smack talk you. But I'm such a sweet person. It's hard for me to do that.
No. Well, you know, it's not going to stop me next year.
And I'm kidding about the sweet person part.
Thank you, Ronnie, for taking over and interviewing the winners and the one loser who actually, I guess, represented all the losers. You guys are sore losers. You ought to stay around to get interviewed, my stars. Oh, wait till next year. We're going to talk some smack next year over all this losing business. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you. We'll see you next week.